Hey you guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another quick send short video. Got another older one for you today. We headed back up to Big Sur Campgrounds and Cabins with some friends a few years back. This actually was a multi-day trip. I think we stayed there for about a week, and as you can see, we had a lot of time by the fire, by the river, making some good food and making some good memories. So for the sake of documenting this and keeping it online for you all to share and enjoy, let's get into the video. There we have it, you guys. That was Big Sur Campgrounds and Cabins. As I may have mentioned at the very beginning of the video, a big reason why I keep uploading some of these older videos is not only to share and entertain, but also to document and have a place to look back on some of these memories, whereas these videos would have otherwise spent their lives on SD cards or external hard drives or computers that eventually crash. At any rate, I hope to create some new videos here soon of current events on the Tacoma, on camping, on product reviews. So until next time, talk to you soon.